Hey, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to this quick little sneak peek. Here's the latest project. Boom, boom, boom. Wow. Oh, awesome. Those three. Same thing here. Wow, awesome. Giant greenhouse. By the time all said and done, I will have spent about $1 per square foot. This project is going to be about 175 square feet, and it'll be done for about $175. Buy stuff for cheap. Find people willing to just get rid of old lumber. Put things together. Puzzle it out. Make it work. It doesn't have to be perfect. Look. And I don't care, because I'm going to sheet this whole wall with plastic, and that plastic cost me 20 bucks instead of 50 something because the box was torn a little bit. I don't care. If I have to duct tape a little torn off part or a little square patch, or I don't care. It's 20 bucks instead of 52. When you do it yourself, you ain't got to pay a contractor. Because the building code here, as long as it's not attached to the main house, I'm good. I called 811 to make sure I could dig in my backyard. They said, hey, any utilities would be in the front yard. Your whole backyard's good. I said, you sure? They said, yeah, we'll send out the people and do all the checks and stuff. But I'm telling you right now, in your neighborhood, it's all front yard. I said, cool. There it is. It's going to be a full video on the channel real soon, and I hope you go watch it.